You know what a dimmer is. But what if we told you we at EBTL have taken dimmers to the next level? Wouldn't it be convenient if you could control the lights around your home from anywhere in the world using an app and voice commands? That's why we designed the affordable Amour SubDim Universal Dimmer, a smart home lighting solution for the masses with best-in-class features like scheduling and grouping. The easy-to-install dimmer connects to existing LED lights, which means you don't need special fixtures or any kind of rewiring. Once you are done installing, simply use the Amour app to increase or decrease the intensity of lights in desired sections of your home. Give your space that intimate, personalized touch instantly by grouping various sections of lights and controlling them at the same time. Go ahead, tell Amour when you want the lights to go on or off. The smart app schedules your request and automatically executes it on a selected day and time. Thanks to Amour, coming home has never been more magical. To order Amour SubDim and for more information about other products, call us or shop online at www.ebtlpl.com today.